Hey, it's me. It's Kirkhoff, man. I'm kind of tired, so don't know what to say. I'm just gonna be going to bed. Hope you all enjoy your day. Oh man, I'm asleep. I must be having a dream that I'm in the basement.
Oh god damn. I'm really hungry. What the heck? This is really weird. What the heck? The freak the hell is going on here? The mouth of Jimmy Hart and Hulk Hogan? Oh god. This is so weird. Oh man. I just don't get this.
Man, this is so weird, man. There's these frogs here, Homer Simpson. I go in the fridge. Hulk Hogan and his manager, Jimmy Hart. What the hell's going on? Man. I mean, I don't even know what's going on. What? I got this championship belt. This is crazy.